Alright folks, back for part two. I think I'm going to start out, I'm going to remove these hatches and seal these hatches up. I think I was, there's good some couple spots that a good amount of water I think can get in. I mean, it's not like it's rushing or anything, but I like to just keep it as dry as possible. So, once I get this thing going over here, I'll bring it back and show you what I got going on. Alright, I only got a couple more screws. I hope I don't make these too seasick. But I figure I'd get you a better shot this way. A couple more to take out. I'm also going to install this this eyelet on the inside, like I was telling you about, to hook my bank line to with the little S-beaner, and to hook to my 10-liter bag, so when I slide it back in there, I can pull it out. I'm going to put that in too before I put this back in. That way it's, well, actually I can't, because it's got to actually hold part of this down as part of the seal. So, yeah, that wasn't stuck very well, but yep. Just wipe it off the rag, get my caulk gun out, and caulk it up a little bit. Okay, now that I got it off, I forgot to tell you guys yesterday when I was doing the other part. Some of these parts sometimes get like a slippery surface on them. That ain't too bad, but this here is kind of slippery. I don't know if it's an oil or something they put in a mold, talcum powder, whatever they use. So I use some of this, just plain Jane dollar store. This one's 91% because I've used it in stoves in the past, but just some good rubbing alcohol, and just put a little bit on the rag. A little bit on the rag. Not a whole lot. Wipe this surface off all the way around. At least just go around it at least once and see what happens. A little dirty. Not much, but it counts, right? And also, I mean, even if there isn't anything on it like that, like I mentioned, it'll, yeah, it's a little bit of color to it. It'll make it so it's, at least it's going to be clean, you know? So, now it's all about putting the silicone on and sizing this guy up. So I may have to drill a select hole. Yeah, I'm going to have to drill a select hole a little bit bigger for this to fit through. Need to make sure, take the nut off this. That's the little S-beaner style I'm going to use. Maybe I might go a little bigger, I don't know. This will be out of the way. But I know the thickness of this stuff here. So, open this door up and actually see how much of this sticks through so I can cut the correct amount off. So, yeah, quite a bit sticks through there. I think I'm going to double nut it. I'm going to run a nut all the way down, and then I'm going to tighten it from the outside, and that way it'll hang down just a smidge, and I won't have to be so accurate with how long I cut it. I can match it up wherever I want it. I can adjust it. So I'm going to do that, to find another little nut for that, and then yeah, then I'll be right back once I get all my stuff together. Alright, so I decided I can't put it through the lid because you can't get in between here to inside of this to get a socket, so I'm going to have to put it through like right in here, which would be perfectly fine because This is indented here on both sides, so it'll be okay. It'll work good. And plus it'll be underneath the seal, so it's not going to cause a leak. So, hold on a second. I'll get my drill out of here. There we go. So, here we go. Alright, see if she fits. So if I take this nut and go all the way, because I want to double nut it, I believe. So I can put that in here all the way like that, and then that's all that's going to stick out. Then I can hook my S-beaner on it. So that'll work. Cool beans. So I'm going to try to get that tightened up. See how many times I'm going to drop it. Maybe I get lucky and get it over the... Maybe. Ha! Got it. Get it all the way in there. Alright, I'll bring it back when I get that tight and get the silicone on. Okay, I got all the holes done. Now I'm going to run a bead all the way around this so I can put it up there. And that'll seal the top and bottom because it won't let the water down in. I can wipe them goobers off later. Another good tip. You should keep that clean. Use a vacuum cap. Keeps it nice and pliable. Won't harden up on you. This don't matter. This is all under the gasket, so. Alright, so set this back over. Start putting the screws in it. These going first, these will make it straight. There's 3 of them back there, just get them started. A couple of them. And the same here. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get these all in and get them all snugged up. Alright, got her done. Worked out good. Got my little hook right here. Take my S-beaner, snap it right on there. Hook my bank line to it to my bag, so I can slide it back, you know, 2-3 feet if I want. So, yeah, just wipe out the shavings. Alright, now I'll go to the back and repeat it. I ain't gonna bore you with that because you already seen some of this already once, so I'll get back to you probably. I think the next step's maybe gonna be the paddle holder, and then I'll tinker around with what I got for an anchor right now until I get a trolley. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Well, we're putting these cold shots through the anchor on the top so it doesn't rip the rope, and then we can hook the rope to this part of the cold shot so it's nice and smooth. And then we're Adrian's putting some heat shrink on it to kind of protect it, and then hold everything together instead of using tape, because tape makes a mess after a while. So yeah, it's gonna work out pretty good. So just thought I'd show you that real quick. I got both of my deals done. I got the back one done now. It's all set. So I got the back and the front done. Now I'm gonna work on mounting my paddle mount. I gotta determine where I want it and how high I want it. There we go. Now we're gonna do the anchor, or the paddle holder. Yeah, I think that would be good like that, because like you said, it would give it a little extra, it'd give it a little bit of extra support, you know. See, I got one in my car. Look at them, folks. Drilling holes in my new kayak. Yep. You put one in the bottom, and you'll have to swap all his parts over. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. UTG. Yep, we're getting there. Can't wait. Oh, I can't wait till tomorrow. Yeah. Them youngins sometimes they like to borrow things. Well, a lot they like to borrow things. Don't like to put it back. Yeah. There you go. Slide it down the lip. Yeah, that's good. That'll work nice. Yep.
Better than mine.
Now I can.
I learned that pretty well.
Yeah, we had Adrian's for a prototype. There. Now I got my paddle in the right spot where I want it, and yeah, we'll get back with you a little bit. We're gonna flip this bad boy over here in a few minutes. More alcohol in a rag in case there's any film on it or anything, or dirt. So we'll get back with you here after we get it going. there you have it, folks. Got her done.
Oh, wait a minute. You forgot. Take 29.
Yeah, take 29, 30, 35, 40, and 50. There you go. Cheap fix. Preventative maintenance, you know. Now we're ready to go to the lake tomorrow. I just gotta hook my anchor up. Anchor's all done, so Adrian's all rigged up, ready to rock. So, wish us some luck. Take care. God bless. Fish fry.